Hello, I am Falguni. As rightly my husband said, design touch is just superb. See, architect તો બધા છે and everyone is working also. But they are Kejalben is the queen of design and Jignesh Bhai is the king of technical aspects. We always have asked for a different house, different designs. They have provided us, they made 3D for us. There were quite a changes. They were agreed and they have done it for us. And at all the aspects, we were always asking for that something different. We didn't want કે અમારું રેગ્યુલર બધાનું ઘર હોય એવું હોય કે અલગ જોઈએ છે. પણ that અલગ thing તો definitely they have given us. But that અલગ is always with the technical thing also. Jignesh Bhai would have never agreed કે જે પણ કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ બને પણ if it is not visible in looking or not visible in using it, then he would have never agreed for that. કેટલું પણ આપણે પ્રેશર કરે કે નહીં આ સારું લાગશે આમ લાગશે, but if he is okay with that, then only he will say yes for that. So that is something that આ ઘર બન્યા પછી એવું લાગે છે. Sometimes with that Pinterest things, it's lots of pictures, we just flow away કે આપણને આ બહુ ગમે છે, we wanted to do that. But if that thing was feasible and for us to use it and then only he will say yes. So that's something that I'm always thankful to him, that okay, my house is different, definitely different, but the utility is also superb. Now we are staying here, every day we are using it and every day we just feel, oh wow, this is something has turned very good. Secondly, see, they have also a huge team of people, but whenever Jignesh Bhai is just a phone call away, કેટલું પણ સ્ટુપિડ કોઈ રીઝન માટે ફોન કર્યું હોય કે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ માટે એની ટાઈમ ઇફ યુ કોલ હિમ, he first of all, so he will always pick it up, and by 1% if he is busy or something, within 1 hour he will call me back that okay, what happened bhabhi. So this is something, at any point of time we never feel that okay, આપણને કંઈ ખબર નથી પડ્યું, આર્કિટેક્ટે ડિઝાઇન આપી દીધું છે તો એક્ઝિક્યુશન થઈ રહ્યું છે. But sometimes we have small things to ask, is it okay, is this fine? But he is always approachable. He has never told me that આટલું બી ફોન કર્યા છે, કેટલી પણ વાર સિલેક્શનમાં બોલાવ્યા છે. કે સમટાઈમ્સ મેની ટાઈમ્સ ધ થિંગ હેઝ હેપન કે સિલેક્ટ કર્યું હોય પછી ઘરે આવીને વેન વી જસ્ટ ગ્રાસ્પ ઇટ એન્ડ વી ફીલ ઇટ કે ઓકે આ નહીં આપણે આ લઈએ. સો વેન એવર વી જસ્ટ આસ્ક હિમ, હી વિલ ડેફિનેટલી જોઈન અસ અને આપણને કહે કે ના ચાલો આ બરાબર હતું કે રાધર ફર્સ્ટ ચોઇસ વોઝ ગુડ. So always approachable. Whatever design you ask for, how many trendy things you are asking for, and how many times you can you want to approach them, is just super. Thank you very much કે અમને લોકોને જિગ્નેશભાઈને કેજલબેનનું કોન્ટેક્ટ થઈ ગયું, and the entire journey for our house making was so smooth. કોઈ પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ કંઈ થયું નથી. all the things are all the jigsaws are in that right place and it was just wonderful. Thank you.